In there.
Yes, welcome viewers to my YouTube channel one more time. Today we are going to learn about ICT. Actually, first of all, my name is called Richard. Please, let's go within this very lecture. Let's try to learn together. So today, our topic of the day is about ICT, Information and Communication Technology. This ICT means Information, Communication, and Technology. So in that way, let's first define ICT is an umbrella, a term that includes any communication device or application encompassing radios, televisions, cellular phones, computers, and network hardware and software, satellite systems, and so on, as well as the various services and applications associated with them, such as video conferencing, distance learning, email, and etc. The World Wide Web. So, in that way, if we are to look at ICT is very broad. Like when you talk of video conferencing involves two or more people exchanging messages and information via the internet across geographical locations, whereby you can be in a position to see someone that you're talking to. Meanwhile, the same person is also looking at you, but on distance places. Actually, geographical locations are a bit different. So on the other way around, we can also refer ICT as technologies that provide access to information, focusing mainly on communication technologies, such as internet, wireless networks, cell phones, personal computers, and other communication mediums. Wireless networks includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. So let's look at some of the examples of all the technologies before the coming of ICTs. So the examples, we have those ones which are like newspapers, films, recordings, paper printed photographs. Then we have examples of new technologies that came due to ICT. The new ones we call them analog. The old ones we call them analog. Then the new ones we can call them as what? Recent evolution trends in ICT. So the other ones are the video conferencing as new ones, email, and internet. On the other way around is that cellular phones, optical discs, database, and satellites. So that is just a brief introduction about ICT as we are talking about. So on the other way around, the next topic that we can look at it is about evolution of computers. So when we talk of evolution is like how things came into existence. So evolution refers to the gradual development in computing technology from simple counting device to more complex electronic devices present day called computers. So the whole process of computer evolution may be broken into three stages or three types of computer technology. That is to say, there is mechanical era, we have electromechanical era, electronic era. So meaning that of these three eras, we can tend to discuss them one by one. First of all, let's look at about the origin or the counts. The origin, how it came about. Computer evolution was as a result of man's effort to count large numbers in an attempt to count large numbers. Large numbers. For example, the first mechanical set that was actually developed before the counting started was abacus. Abacus was developed by Egyptian and Chinese people, the Chinese and Egyptians. The word abacus means calculating board. So it was used for volume computing in China and Japan for thousands of years before Christ. So before Christ means before the death of Jesus Christ. So in 1614, the first algorithmic table was developed by an English mathematician called John Napier. So the other way around is that our lecture is actually, we may not take much of our time learning this, but we can learn more when we come to the next lecture. Just because of our time is actually a resource, so we can't learn each and everything for now. So our eras, our mechanical era, electronic era, and the other one, we can just learn them in the next lecture. So I congratulate you all. Thank you for attending my lecture. Thank you for being with me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome more. You're most welcome. I remain as called Richard. Blue University. Thank you for sharing with me. Bye bye guys.